Hello guys and welcome back to my 16th Python tutorial, and today is special because today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to actually structure your program, your very first program basically. So we're finally done testing things that you can do with Python, and now it's time to write codes. Yay. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys about the if statement, and what it does is it checks something if some condition is true, and if it is, it executes a block of code assigned to it. If not, uh it will not run it basically. So this is really useful because this is how you get the computer to do something if something is true, or not do it if that condition is met. Uh it's actually easier to just show you guys than describing it. So let's go ahead and open a new one. I already made a file, so if you want to make a new file, as you already learned, just go to file and make a new file. So now I'm gonna start my program off with a variable called name, and I'm just gonna set it equal to Tom. So as you realize, when you press enter, there's no arrow thingies anymore because this is actually a program, not the console. So yeah. Uh, and then I'm just gonna teach you guys about the if statement now. So the syntax of the if statement is just if, and it just turns orangey, and that means it's correct. And now I'm going to put a condition in there, and the condition is gonna be name. If name equals Tom, it's gonna run something. So how you do it is write name and double equal sign, because that's just okay. So one equals something like this, it means that it's gonna assign something to a variable or something like that. And double equal sign means it's gonna check if something equals something. And I'm just gonna put Tom. And then after that, you need to put a colon, not a semicolon. Unlike other languages, just put colon. And then press enter. And then it automatically indents for you, and this is how Python knows if some code is assigned to this like block. If it's not indented, it's just gonna recognize it as a separate piece of code. So what I'm gonna do is just print, yeah, my name is Tom, and yeah. So now you're gonna run it. Press F5 and just save it. And then now, just like this, it says, yeah, my name is Tom. And yeah, that's basically your first program. So now we're gonna go back to this file and let's mess around with it a bit. So when you go here, it doesn't always have to be Tom, or it doesn't have to be name. So I'm just gonna change this a bit around. Since name is the only variable we have, we're not gonna change that, because if we change this to something else, it's gonna give us an error. So let's change this to, like, I don't know, Rob, and let's change this as well. And run it again, and it's gonna print out nothing because Tom is not Rob, and that's why the program just skips this 2 lines, and they're like, nope, it's not the thing we want, so we're not gonna do this. And yeah, so now you're ready to write basic if statements, and basically this was your first intro to basic programming. uh Hope you guys enjoyed and learned something, and I'll see you guys in the next one.